Hi, it's Alicia and welcome to my channel Papercraft Secrets. Today I'm doing a layout share video. These are the layouts that I made for Uniquely Creative in 2019. This was the first layout that I made for them and it's one of my favorites. I absolutely love the bright colors in this collection and the watercolor stripes that match the stripes in this little bike that we hired one sunny day in Newcastle. It's just a special layout because it's a happy memory and it's beautiful colors and flowers, so it's definitely one of my favorites. This layout is using the same collection. This was a lot of fussy cutting. I actually made my own flowers and all of this bit here in this cluster of layers was fussy cut. Cute little photo from a few years back. So with this collection here, I was asked to make 2 layouts and 2 cards, which the cards I've given away by now. Then I started doing 4 layouts for Uniquely Creative. And this was my next month. This collection I found quite tricky to use, but I actually really liked how the layouts turned out. I was going for sort of like a modern effect down the center here with like a narrow rectangle, and then I ended up doing a floral cluster across the front. This one here was lots and lots of layers and stamping, quite easy to put together. I'll add the video links to all of these layouts above if you want to check out the video process. I actually really love this layout. This is all about paper tearing. And it's just a nice natural photo. This one was a heritage layout and this is my grandparents' wedding photo. This video has been very popular. It was shared by a company. I'll put a link to the video up above. I enjoyed creating that layout. This is another collection now, Kaisercraft Bazaar. This looks like it's fallen apart a little bit. There we go. There's a lot of doors featured in this collection. I really struggled with this collection to begin with because it's not my colours, but it had a lot of the elements that I was used to creating with from Kaisercraft collections, and so it actually came together really easily. And then I found that the colours suited a lot of my boy photographs that I have, so I actually found lots of photos I could use. I could scrap with this collection. This one was super easy. It's just paper layers, paper tearing, very easy layout to make. Nice and bright and colourful. I think that photo was our wedding anniversary down on the beach. This one here was just basically using up scraps and putting them in a design. I also love this photo. It's got lots of happy memories around it. This layout is probably my least favorite of the 4, but I still like the boho feel to it. Moving on to a Christmas collection, Kaisercraft Peppermint Kisses. This was just using the greens in the collection, very easy layout to recreate. And this was sitting on the Santa's chair at the lights. This one here Looks like it's coming apart a little bit. So it's going for a clean and simple look with this collection. I always find Christmas collections quite challenging. This one came together quite easily. I really liked this red and white candy cane paper, and I liked the titles in this kit. A cute photo of my friend's little girls. Oh, this one here was where I did some hand stitching. It's the first time I have done hand stitching on my layouts, but that was really fun and different. Moving on to another collection now. I absolutely adored the pinks in this collection. This is a wedding photo from my own wedding of this little girl here who is now a very big girl. And I just did a diagonal cluster, which I love to do. And the pinks in her shirt, in her dress, and the pinks in the bouquet matched the pinks perfectly. And this is another photo from my wedding. You can see the bridesmaid dresses are just a perfect match for this magenta collection. And just to prove that boys can be in pink as well, I did a mixed media layout with this one. I also did a fourth layout with this collection. I'll pop a photo in now. I've given that layout to my brother and his wife. And then the last collection that I used, which was the Uniquely Creative papers. This was a double layout that I created. Very simple double layout. It could easily be more heavily embellished. I love these photos that we took of our boys. I'm actually looking at getting them printed for my wall. I adore this layout, and I had so much fun creating this layout with all the paper layers. It was in a sort of a teardrop design. And then the last two are my interactive layouts. This one opens up here in the middle to reveal the photograph underneath. Perfect for a wedding photo or a baby photo. This is a very girly collection, but I persisted and used boy photographs. And this was my other interactive layout that flips. And this was the inspiration. Baby toes in grass and the words dream big little one. And it was these papers that actually we went down and took these photos of the boys. What a beautiful place on the Gold Coast where there's like a lovely grass hill and a little stream. We like to go there because you can feed the turtles and they have other little animals you can feed. This is a relaxing place. Plus you can have cafe, you can go there for lunch or afternoon tea. I personally love going there for their scones. So that is the layouts that I created for Uniquely Creative in the year 2019. I hope you enjoyed my layout share. Please let me know down in the comments if you'd like more layout share videos, because I've got many layouts that I can share with you. Don't forget to check out the video links if you want to see these layouts created step by step. Gosh, I should be counting them. There's a lot here. If you'd like more details on any of these layouts and paper collections, please leave me a comment below. Thank you so much for watching and have a lovely crafty day.